before we start, quick question. What do you think is 3 divided by 1 over 3 times 9? Take a moment, really think about it. Got your answer? Alright, let's go step by step and see how this works. At first glance, we have 1 over 3 times 9. Some people might start multiplying right away. So 1 over 3 times 9, let's try it. 3 divided by 3 gives 1, and 9 divided by 3 gives 3. So now we have just 3, and 3 divided by 3 equals 1. Okay, pause for a second. Something feels a little off here. Let's slow down and think carefully. Remember, multiplication and division actually have the same priority, and the rule is we always go from left to right. That means we need to handle the division first before multiplying. This is where the trick is. So now, we look at the first part, 3 divided by 1 over 3. And here we use a very handy trick called the KCF rule. K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. Let me show you what that means. Keep means we keep the first fraction as it is. Change means we change the division sign into multiplication. And flip means we flip the second fraction upside down. And just like that, 3 divided by 1 over 3 becomes 3 times 3. Ooh, nice. Now, 3 times 3 gives 9. But we're not done yet. Don't forget the times 9 at the end. So, 9 times 9, take a second to think, yes, it equals 81. And just like that, the final answer to 3 divided by 1 over 3 times 9 is 81. Isn't that satisfying when everything clicks together? So next time you see a problem like this, remember the KCF rule and always pay attention to the order of operations. Trust me, it makes these tricky-looking problems way easier. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends who love math, and subscribe to the channel.